Good morning. Our memory verse for today is found in Hebrews 11:1. Okay, yung faith, kasi F siya, so letter F yung sign natin. So, faith. Tapos yung sure, ganun lang siya. Yung hope, parang kumakaway sa head at saka isa sa ganyan. Hope. Yung convince, make a fist, and then ganyan. Okay? Tapos ibabump mo yung ano mo sa yung kamay mo dito sa fist. And then what we do not see. Alam na natin yung do not see. Okay, let's try. Our verse for today is Hebrews 11:1. Now, faith is being sure of what we hope for, being convinced of what we do not see. Okay, Hebrews 11:1. Thank you.